Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best SSC coaching in your city, Rajkot? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city, Rajkot. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy is one of the largest growing online coaching class in India. Study materials and video classes are best which this institute provides. Further, Plutus Academy provides best and updated study material to the students. It provides coaching which is available with recorded lectures and video facilities. Plutus Academy has experts and well-experienced faculty. In addition to this, online test series provided by the Academy is completely a best test series. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institute down. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Mahendra's Educational Private Limited. The address of this institute is 204 Center 1 Complex, 31 Kalawad Road beside Wockhardt Hospital, Rajkot, Gujarat 360001. Okay, the contact number is 099793 Mahendra's Institute provides coaching classes for the students, and they at Mahendra's believe that preparing for the exam can make all the difference. It is one of the most sought after career options for candidates who wish to opt for government jobs. Okay, now let us talk about some of the features of joining the institute. The very first is video courses. Number 2, live classes. Number 3, online test series. And number 4, ebooks. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Career Launcher Institute. The address of Career Launcher Institute is Atom Zone, University Road near SNK School opposite Yogi Nagar, Rajkot, Gujarat 36005. Their contact number is 099988 Career Launcher focuses on diverse segments of education across the learners of multiple age groups. It is led by a team of highly qualified professionals, including IIT IIM alumni with a passion for excellence in education, and has been focusing on shaping the lives and careers of many students since 1995 itself. Okay, so apart from classroom teaching, Career Launcher also counsels student performance and help them improve their study pattern, perfect an exam taking strategy, and achieve high scores. Their prime focus is on academic excellence and technological innovation, along with deep-rooted domain expertise built over the years. Regularly updated study material which consistently reflect any change in the exam pattern mocks that provide national level benchmarking for the test takers. Training by a team of highly experienced faculty members and personalized guidance and e-support for doubt clearing, individual analysis for every test taker, covering every topic in section provision of test taking from home at one's convenience, individual SIS, that is Student Information System account, providing access to GK updates, topic exercises, test gym, vocabulary building, and many more are the features of this institute. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is JJ Tutorials Rajkot. The address of this institute is Unique 3rd floor, Astro Chowk 4, Street number 1, Rajkot, Gujarat 36001. Their contact number is 085300 38683. JJ Tutorials is proud to be the pioneer institute in the field, providing exceptional education since 1980. They are specialists in preparing you for almost all the competitive and entrance examinations of India. In these 35 years of their teaching career, they have taught more than 40,000 students and given toppers in almost all the exams at state as well as national level. Further, they offer the most qualified and experienced teachers available in the field. Each student is given due attention at their institute. Problem solving time of each question is measured in seconds or rather microseconds, which saves a lot of time for students to be confident enough of solving the entire paper. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city, Rajkot. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.